8 divided by 8 equals 1. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. And finally, 36 divided by 6 equals 6. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have two operators present, division and multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that is on the left side. And we can see that a number is getting divided by a fraction here. To solve this, what we can do is we can use KCF rule: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 36 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication. And flip means we flip the fraction 3 over 8 as 8 over 3, and then we have times 16 present from the original expression. Now 3 and 36 both are divisible by 3, so 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and 36 divided by 3 leaves us with 12. So our expression becomes 12 times 8 times 16. Now we have two multiplication operators present, so 12 times 8, that gives us 96, and 96 times 16 equals 1536, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.